Hi there, you're now watching Chinese with LTL, and I'm Mavis from Top Mandarin with Mavis. We all know about the 12 astrological signs or the horoscopes, but did you know there are also 12 Chinese zodiac signs that each year is assigned to? The biggest holiday in Chinese-speaking cultures and regions, the Lunar New Year, is celebrated each year with a corresponding animal from the Chinese Zodiac, which has a rotating roster of 12 animals. 12生肖 12 is 12. 生肖 is how we call the Chinese Zodiac in Mandarin Chinese. How did the 12 animals make the roster though? This all comes from a folk tale that's been told from generation to generation. A quick summary of the story is, back in the ancient time, the Jade Emperor, 玉皇大帝, who's the god of heaven, called a race of the animals on his birthday to create this roster. All the animals rallied together to join this race, and the first 12 animals who made it to the finish line were listed on the roster in the sequence of their finish time. And here we have 12 animals, each representing the year on rotation, which means every 12 years you'll get the same animal again. The roster begins with the rat, 鼠. 鼠 or 老鼠 means rat in Mandarin Chinese. People who were born in these years have the Chinese zodiac sign as a rat. In Mandarin Chinese, to tell your Chinese zodiac sign, we say 属鼠 or 属老鼠. 鼠 means to belong to, 鼠 or 老鼠 is rat. The second on the roster is the ox, 牛. 牛 means ox, cow, or bull in Mandarin Chinese. People who were born in these years have the Chinese zodiac sign as an ox. To say my Chinese zodiac sign as an ox, in Mandarin Chinese, we say 属牛. 属 means to belong to, 牛 is ox. The third on the roster is the tiger, 虎. 虎 or 老虎 means tiger in Mandarin Chinese. People who were born in these years have the Chinese zodiac sign as a tiger. To tell your Chinese zodiac sign in Mandarin Chinese, we say 属虎. 属 means to belong to, 虎 means tiger. The fourth on the roster is the rabbit, 兔. 兔 or 兔子 means rabbit in Mandarin Chinese. People who were born in these years have the Chinese zodiac sign as a rabbit. To tell your Chinese zodiac sign as a rabbit, we say 属兔. 属 means to belong to, 兔 is rabbit. The fifth on the roster is the dragon, 龙. 龙 means dragon in Mandarin Chinese. People who were born in these years have the Chinese zodiac sign as a dragon. To tell your Chinese zodiac sign as a dragon, we say 属龙. 属 means to belong to, 龙 is dragon. The sixth on the roster is the snake, 蛇. 蛇 means snake in Mandarin Chinese. People who were born in these years have the Chinese zodiac sign as a snake. To tell your Chinese zodiac as a snake, we say 属蛇. 属 means to belong to, 蛇 is snake. The seventh on the roster is the horse, 马. 马 means horse in Mandarin Chinese. People who were born in these years have the Chinese zodiac sign as the horse. To tell your Chinese zodiac as a horse, we say 属马. 属 means to belong to, 马 is horse. The eighth on the roster is the sheep, 羊. 羊 or 绵羊 means sheep in Mandarin Chinese. People who were born in these years have the Chinese zodiac sign as a sheep. To tell your Chinese zodiac as a sheep, we say 属羊. 属 means to belong to, 羊 is sheep. The ninth on the roster is the monkey, 猴. 猴 or 猴子 means monkey in Mandarin Chinese. People who were born in these years have the Chinese zodiac sign as a monkey. To tell your Chinese zodiac as a monkey, we say 属猴. 属 means to belong to, 猴 is monkey. The 10th on the roster is the rooster, 鸡. 鸡 or 公鸡 is rooster in Mandarin Chinese. People who were born in these years have the Chinese zodiac sign as a rooster. To tell your Chinese zodiac as the rooster, we say 属鸡. 属 means to belong to, 鸡 is rooster. The 11th on the roster is the dog, 狗. 狗 or 小狗 means dog in Mandarin Chinese. People who were born in these years have the Chinese zodiac sign as a dog. To tell your Chinese zodiac as a dog, we say 属狗. 属 means to belong to, 狗 means dog. The last but not least on the roster is the pig, 猪. 猪 or 小猪 means pig in Mandarin Chinese. People who were born in these years have the Chinese zodiac sign as a pig. To tell your Chinese zodiac as a pig, we say 属猪. Shu means to belong to. Zhu means pig. The complete roster goes Shu, Miao, Hu, Tu, Long, She, Ma, Yang, Hou, Ji, Gou, Zhu. I'll recommend Googling the full story of how each animal made its ranking and also why the cats and rats hate each other. You'll find very interesting explanations from the story of the Chinese Zodiac. Looking for online or offline courses to learn Mandarin Chinese? Check out ltl-school.com. See you next time on Chinese with LTL. Bye!